Motherfucker. I see my goddamn coach up in Laney's. The fuck? See those houses over there? That's where my Justin lives. Except I see my best friend Justin, but he's not my friend yet. He's 16 years old. Oh wait, no, Justin's 13. They wouldn't motherfucking lie to me. Yeah. Okay, I'm freaking out because he looked back at me and like, bitch, what the fuck you? He's looking at me like, bitch, don't fucking try me. I don't know your age. I think I saw Ronil. So Maya, I think I saw Ronil. I might get with that. I'm just kidding. I ain't gonna get no Ronil. What I look at you, mother goose? I'm in this hot ass car. I say I'm going up into, like I said, that's all Laney's BBQ. And talking to this camera like I'm a crazy person. And this car should have passed me. And I know this lady is looking at me. Bitch looked at me like, bitch, what the fuck? Keep on looking at me like I'm going crazy. Yeah. If I hang myself out the car saying, help, I'm being kidnapped. But yeah, it's gonna come. Oh shit. She stared at me. God damn, Yana. But yeah. I'm hanging myself out this car. Cause I'm bored. I wanna go to Justin's house. Like, hi Justin, I'm Olivia, cousin. She want me to meet you, but I meet you really quickly and fast. Cause my granddad's in the car. You should like give me your number so we can like text and call, ask you questions and shit like that. I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, hold up. This is what I'm wearing. I'm scared to meet him like this. I'm like wearing my pajama jams. We're going to Subway soon, so. I should leave. I should get off this phone because people are looking at me like, what the fuck she doing? Talking to herself. That is a nice ass house. I can't let the babies his house. So I gotta run across the street.
I'll take a hamburger. Buy me a hamburger.
That nigga asked me what about my hamburger. The fuck? That man motherfucking asked me do I want to buy my hamburger. Sure, you know so fucking wrong. I am 11. What the fuck wrong with you? Oh, my ring fell off. You realize that. Bitch. Ooh, I can smell that Lane's right now. Some good ass Lane's. Oh shit. If you can smell how Lane's smell right now. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, cause the rest fit. I hear clicking. Hold up. Do it like that. That bitch is definitely like, oh. Get the fuck off the camera. Oh, there's that man again. That asked me to buy it. Okay. He's going right where I fit? Okay, good. My life is fucked up. Oh. I swear if I hear a gunshot, I'm getting down on this car seat floor and hiding my ass. Or I might as well just run to Justin's house. Shit. It looked like bitch. Fuck. Talk to a goddamn camera. That nigga, he was like, come out, right? He looked at me, I said, he's like, bitch, why the fuck you talking? Okay. He was like, bitch, why the fuck you talking to you? Hi, coach. Hey, oh. Hey, Ronil. Cheating ass motherfucker. You cheated on Maya, little bitch. Little bitch cheating on Maya. And nigga go see me at school. I'm like, hey, Ronil, I saw you at your cheating ass at Laney's. Like, I'm telling mom, like, I saw Ronil and Laney's. I said, hey, cheating ass Ronil. She gonna laugh her ass off. He just looked at me and smiled and shook his head. I'm like, bro, why did you cheat on Maya? Maya is a cool girl. Oh, they got me in his hot ass motherfucking car. You better order your goddamn food. Come on. They've been taking the subway because I love some subway. I'm not trying to get skinny. Because look how beautiful I am. Okay, they left. They left. They rolled off. They rolled the fuck off. They rolled the fuck off. Oh, shit. Who the fuck is that? They rolled the fuck off. They rolled the fuck off, but because they see the random girl talking to them. I'm just kidding. I'm not random. They go to school. Well, coach and Ronil does. So, oh shit, there you go again. Like your skinny jeans. Nigga looked back and said, thank you. Bro, they got me in this hot ass car. Get the fuck out. Laney's for Laney be mad. What do they name it, Laney's? Is it named after the person, Laney's? Look at this car, bro. Uh-oh. Shit, the fuck? She look like doo-doo in my hand. Fingers. Touch the doo-doo. My puffball is on fleek and flop. It has its parts that are on fleek, like this side, and it has its parts like they're on flop, like this side. Motherfucking flop. Take this one out. I'm gonna take the rest. I took it the fuck out. Bitch, you wanna cheat on motherfucking me? Pop all those guns. See what happens. Okay, I got another girl pregnant. Like, oh, okay. I know. Because I popped all your condoms, nigga. Now you can leave and take care of another family. That'll be so fucked up for me. I'll be a condom. If you ever got me. Keandre! Get the fuck. Whoa! Shut up! Get your ass on. Nosy bitch. Holy shit, I saw motherfucking Keandre in my motherfucking next to my motherfucking car. What the fuck? I saw him. Bro, I'm gonna point. What the fuck? Bro, I'm gonna point to him. He motherfucking saw me in this hot ass car talking to my goddamn self with the camera in my motherfucking hand. Shit, where the fuck he came from? Where the fuck Keandre come from? Did he live on this side of town? Cause we got the ghetto side, the white neighborhood side, and the white black people side. We want to be integrated, but bitch, no the fuck we don't. Where I live, there ain't no white people, except for one white person, but he act black. Put some respect on his dick. Oh. You better buy you some chips and hop the fuck out, Keandre. Oh shit, my brothers. Okay, we finna get the fuck up out of here. Okay, y'all finna come in? Oh shit. Shit. Motherfucking shit. There you go, y'all. Look. There you go. Bye, Keandre. Your ugly ass. What the fuck he is? Look. People taller. Oh my god, Keandre. He's over there. Okay.
How you like them?
They pretty. There's some pretty flowers. Oh, Dad, you know my mama basketball coach. I seen him. He walked up in there with Ronnie.
Which one?
The one that told my mom.
Hey, with that beard on.
Yeah, with his
Go back.
blonde, with his orange hair. You saw him?
Oh, so
Yeah.
that little short nigga.
Yeah. He's in there.
Why you looking at me?
I said, hey.
Don't mess my bag.
And I had seen Ronnie with him.
That little boy.
Yeah.
He looking at me talking crap.